What's the meaning of ahem? Ahem. 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 Ahem is an onomatopoeic word used to clear one's throat or get someone's attention discreetly. It is a polite way of interrupting or getting someone's attention without being too abrupt. The sound is made by exhaling forcefully through the vocal cords, causing a brief pause in speech. The result of using ahem can range from successfully getting someone's attention to appearing impolite if overused or used inappropriately. Overall, ahem is a subtle way of communicating and can be useful in many social situations.